As we knew, digital marketing changing the businesses since from the 90s, and marketers and business experts are still adopting new technologies and learning about new tools every day. But the current level of understanding and use of online tools is entirely unpredictable, here in India and worldwide. COVID-19 changed the business world. Offline stores are turning into online, and digital marketing is increasing, and customer behaviors are changing. The interactions reduced a lot, protecting the business from uncertainties and risks of present and future is what marketers are trying to deal with digital marketing. Let's start the things which happened in earlier 2020. Still, we are in the COVID-19 phase. Due to pandemic, many businesses are transformed into the virtual way. Digital marketing is the new source for companies to run smoothly. Many businesses are trying to achieve online sustainability, whereas LinkedIn has emerged as the trusted platform for lead generation, networking and sales. It's a unique place to start a business promotional journey with its ultimate sustainable roots of features, enhancing and boosting the business to give a frontline look. Digital trust. Businesses may employ some of the principles to gain digital trust for both company page and professional profile. The objective is to establish a digitally trusted brand that exceeds tips and tricks of LinkedIn marketing. All these things will gain brand loyalty by participating in the online community, relevance, and shareability content and overall experience using information and interacting on business posts and articles. Build the right network. LinkedIn entirely depends on referrals and endorsements. In offline activities, your activities will be in public view. In contrast, in LinkedIn, it will directly objectify our network people like decision makers, thought leaders, influencers, etc. Strategic inputs. The best contents are available on the internet, and most strategic and vital contents will be resourced in the LinkedIn, yes. Many influencers and thought leaders will post their views on current and upcoming trends of digital marketing. These topics will be resourceful for businesses to adapt and move on for further improvement in the industry. Many influencers post spontaneous ideas of their business understandings and repurposed for business journals in the future, like other websites and applications. LinkedIn never charges anything from its users, it's entirely free to access, and valuable information resourced through articles and different business groups. Connection with influencers with verifiable data. Verifiable data gives a different look towards the LinkedIn profile, where many influencers thought the business contents would influence provokers. The business page will not only gain their trust and insightful responses, but also we can expand the business proportion. LinkedIn is a content-driven social media platform. Many business data can be sourced within LinkedIn and blended with its insights to generate original content. Optimizing content for searchability and utility. It is easy to search engine optimization for any content, such as text, video, data-driven and heartwarming of the company pages or profiles. Any company can become a super powerful using SEO digital marketing when it is refreshing, useful and reliable. In a few days of SEO activities, companies can identify who their target customers are and how to market them as per the strategy, measuring how our LinkedIn contents and quality is going, and what things will make our contents more appealing. Promote person-to-person content distribution. LinkedIn is not only concerned about creating a network or sharing the content and influencing people, it's a great source of medium to drive your content from one person to another person. When our network is picking up by the likes and comments, even shares from other sources, then there is a massive increment in the reach of our LinkedIn strategy, and business can level up to the next level by the claims and likes of people from different zones. Overall visibility of the company will improve in the LinkedIn algorithms. Conclusion. Business established to run in the long run with profits. If that is not happening, then nothing will go according to the strategy. Companies need to rethink and make their online presence very strong so that there will be a significant return on investment with the free marketing services offered by social media platforms like LinkedIn in future. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.